Welcome to Car Swag. All right, settle in, because today we ain't just talking about a car. We're talking about a legend whispered in garages, a ghost on the drag strip, a middle finger to corporate rules wrapped in sheet metal. We're diving head first into the '69 Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 COPO. And let me tell you, this thing wasn't just built for speed, it was built for trouble. This is the kind of car that walks into a bar, orders a whiskey, and everyone instantly knows not to mess with it. It looks like your average, albeit very cool, '69 Camaro. But under that innocent hood, oh baby, that's where the secret sauce lives. We're talking about a sleeper energy meter that's pegged so hard on send it, the needle broke clean off. This thing is a masterclass in the dad car versus bad car philosophy. You think it's just a classic cruiser? No, fam, this is a street fight with a license plate. Back in the day, GM had rules. Big block engines over 400 cubic inches, not allowed in the Camaro. Corporate suits said no fun allowed. But then, a few clever cats figured out a loophole. They used something called the Central Office Production Order System, COPO. It was for fleet orders, police cars, taxis, but a couple of smart dealers like Don Yenko figured out they could use it to order Camaros with something truly special, something utterly bonkers. Imagine walking into a dealership and asking for a regular Camaro, but with a asterisk very specific aluminum 427 big block. Not the iron one, the aluminum one. That's like asking for a glass of water, but it's actually pure, unadulterated rocket fuel. This wasn't some bulk-on special. This was a factory-installed, race-ready monster. It was lighter than a feather and hit harder than a freight train. This engine was so wild, GM didn't even want it in there. It was like they built a nuclear warhead and tried to sneak it onto a kid's bicycle. Only 69 of these bad boys ever rolled out of the factory. 69! That's fewer than the number of times I've accidentally put diesel in a gas car. Okay, maybe not that few, but you get the picture. This car is rarer than a polite comment section on YouTube. Each one was a middle finger to the rule book, a wink to the guys who knew what was up. It wasn't about marketing, it was about winning on Sunday and selling on Monday. The personality of a ZL1 COPO, it's pure, unadulterated aggression. This car doesn't purr, it growls like a caged beast. It doesn't accelerate, it rips a hole in the space-time continuum. We're talking about horsepower figures that were severely underrated by the factory. They said 430 horsepower. The streets said try 500 or more, way more. This engine was designed for drag racing, for leaving challengers in a cloud of tire smoke and existential dread. It's the automotive equivalent of a heavyweight boxer who looks calm until the bell rings. Driving this thing? Forget comfort, forget amenities. This wasn't about heated seats or Apple CarPlay. This was about raw, visceral connection to the road. You felt every bump, heard every thrum, and probably smelled a little bit of burning rubber and fear. It was a beast that demanded respect. It didn't just have a steering wheel, it had a command center for chaos. You had to be a real wheelman to tame this animal. This wasn't a car for joyrides to the ice cream shop. This was a car for making a statement, 1/4 mile at a time. The legend of the ZL1 COPO grew precisely because of its rarity and its sheer unholy power. It wasn't advertised. It wasn't in brochures. It wasn't a secret handshake among those in the know. It was the ultimate if you know car of its era. This was the car that showed up at the local strip, looked unassuming, and then proceeded to humble every other hot rod in sight. It was the ultimate sleeper, long before sleeper was even a term. Would you daily it? Real talk? Unless your daily commute is a 10-second blast down a private airstrip, probably not. This isn't your grocery getter. This is a museum piece that still wants to fight. It's too special, too wild, too much of a historical artifact to just rack up miles. It's the kind of car you wake up early to stare at in the garage just to make sure it's real. Then you take it out for a very, very spirited drive on a closed course because anything less would be an insult. The 69's Lattice 1 COPO isn't just a car from the past. It's a reminder of an era when ingenuity, passion, and a little bit of rule bending could create something truly extraordinary. It's the pinnacle of American muscle, a true automotive icon. It's a testament to the fact that sometimes the best cars are the ones born out of defiance. It parks like a gentleman and leaves like a headline. It's pure, unadulterated car swag. What's your take on this beast? Would you dare to unleash its power? Let us know in the comments. And if you're into legends like this, hit subscribe at @cr._swag. More legends to roast and toast, one clean photo at a time.